Join a Telegram group with QR code. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of the Telegram application on your device. So let's check that. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version. So I'm going to tap on open. Now make sure that you're logged into your account as well. So here, as you can see, I've already logged in. Now to join a Telegram group with QR code, we must have a QR code. So what we are going to do is we're going to go and to the gallery over here. I've already downloaded the QR code over here. So I'm just going to tap on the QR code over here. So this is a QR code that I have. Now all I have to do is just scroll down to this notification or status bar and tap on the scanner. As I tap on scanner, you can see the gallery option over here at the bottom right. Tap on that. Then select that QR code that we already had mentioned before. So as you tap that on the scanner, it will lead you to the website. So just tap on go to the website. And after that, it will lead you directly to the Telegram group and you'll be able to join the Telegram group with QR code. There you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.